Welcome to HYCM Insight with myself, Giles Copland, the Chief Currency Analyst at HYCM. The market mood I'm expecting for today's session is as follows. The Japanese yen is weak, as large volumes of Japanese yen selling took place yesterday as coronavirus fears subsided. Asian equity markets are broadly higher this morning, and I'm expecting a positive carryover into European equity market session. I'm also expecting more Japanese yen weakness as long as equity markets remain positive today. The US dollar, on the other hand, has been supported this week on strong New York Fed manufacturing data, positive new home start data, and a weakening euro have all helped to support the dollar index. Therefore, I am expecting US dollar Japanese yen buyers today. Risks to this outlook: any negative coronavirus news showing a spread to the virus will result in Japanese yen buying and invalidate this outlook.